Make a great choice today with the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, front disc rear drum brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.